In this video, I am discussing post-standard mathematics, chapter 13, measurement of volume, exercise 13.2. Before going to exercise, see some basic concept. To convert milliliter into liter, divide by 1000. For example, convert 8000 milliliter to liter, 8000 milliliter, 8000 by 1000 is equal to 8 liter. See exercise. If you are not subscribe this channel, subscribe the channel for more videos. See exercise 13.2. First one, convert to liter. 5000 milliliter means if you divide 5000 by 1000, we get 5 liter. 9000 milliliter, 9 liter. 6000 milliliter, 6 liter. Fill up the blank with the suitable words. 7250 milliliter means 7 liter, 250 milliliter. 3000 milliliter, 3 liter, 0 milliliter. 7025 milliliter, 7 liter, 25 milliliter. This much in this video. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed this channel yet, subscribe the channel for more videos. If you like the video, hit the like button.